Hi guys, welcome back. This is a second part of file handling. In previous video, we have discussed about how to open an existing file that is present in current directory or in other directories, and also we have discussed some mode R, A and W. We have learned how to open a file, then write, and also how to append data in the existing file. And also we have learned about two methods when we get error of back sequences. When we have multiple slashes inside the string path, then we get error. To solve this error, we have discussed two methods. We can place two backslashes in the path, or we can use R before the path. That will remove our error. And also we have discussed different methods to read the data from the file. We can use for loop, and also we can use read method to read the data line by line. And also we have discussed we must have to use dot close method when we utilize the file. And also we have learned about read lines method. We can read lines using read line method, and also we can split the lines into word with the help of split method. But in this video we will discuss how to create a new file. We have different modes. With the help of these modes we can create a new file. We have X mode. We just create a file with the help of X mode, but if file exists it will return error message. And also we can use A, that is append mode, to create a new file. It will create a new file if file doesn't exist. And also we can use W to create new file. It just create a new file if file doesn't exist. Now we will discuss each one by one. In first example, I will create a file using X mode. And see here, with open method I just pass two argument, file name with extension and also X mode. It will just create a new file. If file is present in the directory, it will show error message. Let me just run this code and see here, it returns error message because I have file with file name. That's why it just return error message. And now see, when I change the name of file, it just create the new file. And see here, in my current directory, it just created an empty text file. Now we will discuss W mode to create the file. Let me just comment this. W mode open the file in writing mode. If file is present already, it just open the file, but if file doesn't exist, it will create new file. And now I just open the file in W mode. Because file already present, that's why it just open the file. To create new file, I just change the name of the file to file2. And now see here in my current directory, it just created file2. Now we will see the append method. We can also create a new file using append. I just have to change the name of file to file3 and see here, it created a new file in my current directory. In previous video, we have discussed in detail how to write and how to append data in the file. In this video, I just want to explain we can use different mode to create a new file. Now we will discuss one more mode, that is RB, read in binary mode. And see here, I just open an image. See here, this is a image, and with the help of RB mode, I will open this image into binary mode, and I just applied f.read and see here, it just opened the file in binary mode. Now we will discuss two very important methods that we used with file, seek and tell. Now we will discuss tell method. Tell method is used to tell the position of pointer. Let me just explain using example. I just open a file.txt in W mode and see here, position of pointer is 0 because file.txt is empty. See here, that's why it returns 0. And when we write the data inside the file, after writing we will check the position again. Now see here, it returns 11 because it just write hello world, and when we count position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it just hold position end of the line. That's why it returns 11. Now we will discuss the use of tell with append, and then we will check the position of pointer. I just open the same file in append mode, then I check the position of pointer. After that I just write hello world again, and then we will check again position of the pointer and see here. Now the position of pointer is 28, and one thing we have to keep in mind, when we open the file in R mode, then the by default position of pointer is the beginning of file. But if we open a file in W and A mode, then the position of file by default end of the line. Now we will see the use of seek. Seek method is used to specify the position from where we want to start reading, and I just place here 2 and see here the result again. It started from the 3rd, 4th and so on end of the line. Now we will discuss R plus, W plus and A plus mode. The reason of explaining tell and seek method before R plus, W plus and A plus mode, because when we read the file in W plus and append plus mode, then we have to use seek method, and also we have to check the position of pointer. That's why I just explained read and tell and seek method before discussing the R plus, W plus and A plus mode. And what is meant by R plus mode? When we open the file in R plus mode, we can read and write the data at the same time, and the pointer will be at the beginning of file. Now we will discuss the use of R plus mode. We can use R plus mode for reading and writing the data in the file. I just open a file in R plus mode, and then we will check the position of pointer. Then we read the file, and after that we will again check the position of pointer. And see here, demo file has this line. This is demo file. And see here, at the beginning it is at 0th position. After reading the data, it is at 17. Now I will write this line inside the file, and then we will check the position of pointer. And now see here, the position of pointer is 36. And see here, written inside the file at the end of line, because when we open the file and read this is demo file, then our pointer is at end of file. That's why it start writing from the 17th index. And now we will discuss W plus mode. And W plus mode just overwrite the data from the file. Let me write here demo underscore file. I just open the file, that is demo, in W plus mode. In W plus mode we can write and also we can read the data look at the file. It just overwrite the previous data. This is the 4 line. But see here, I have used here f2 dot read line. It didn't return any result. Let me explain why. When we write the data inside the file, the pointer goes at the end of line, and when we start reading, it start from the end of line. That's why it didn't show any result. And see here, when we write this line inside the file, our pointer is at the end of file, and when we start reading, it start from end of file. That's why it didn't show any result. Now we will discuss the use of seek in W plus mode. I just written here 0. Now see the result, and see here, when I used seek method and I placed 0 inside the seek method, now it start from the beginning of file. If I change to 3 and see here, it start from this index, that is 4th. Now we will discuss A plus. A plus mode is used when we want to append and also read the data. I just open the same file, demo underscore file, in append mode, and now I just want to write this is a 5 line, and then I will use dot seek method, and after that I will read the data. And see here, because I have written here 0, that's why it start from the beginning of file, and when I write here 6, it will start reading from the 6th index. And see here in demo file, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, and from S it will start reading the file. In this video we have discussed about file handling and some important method that is used in file handling, and also we have discussed how to use R plus, W plus and A plus mode. If you have any problem, any question, please let me know in comment section. And if you want to learn more about Python, please subscribe my channel. And don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will get notified when I add new video on my channel.
Stay tuned.
Thank you so
We'll be
much
right
for
back.
watching my video.